pollution is produced by the incorporation of chemical, physical, and biological agents. One of the many known anthropogenic chemical contaminants are pesticides that aim to control, repel, and prevent a plague. Herbicides are a type of pesticides that specifically targets weeds and other unwanted plants. Atrazine is a herbicide used to control broadleaf weeds in corn and sorghum crops and is one of the most used pesticides in Mexico, which is not regulated by the corresponding authorities. Once applied, atrazine can be evaporated and transported through the air in a 4.5 to 14%, decreasing the air quality and applying a high risk to human health and the environment. In this way, studying the chemical composition of the air is crucial to determine the chemical composition of the air through instruments that collect atmospheric aerosol samples called samplers, among which are the passive type PAS, which do not require any source of energy to fulfill their functions of capturing aerosol and contaminants, since they rely on the natural flow of the wine for absorption by diffusion of the chemical substance over the time. The amount of compounds that are adsorbed during past unfolding is determined by kinetic and thermodynamic factors that can be interpreted in terms of concentration per volume of air based on a quantitative understanding of these factors. For the methodology, a zero air tank will be used to simulate air without impurities that will be passed through the entire system, controlling the flow with a needle valve, measuring with a flow meter. Subsequently, the gas will drag the vapor of a mixture of pesticides toward the wine tunnel to simulate conditions of temperature and relative humidity in the experiment, where the passive sampler will be found inside, suspended in a wine tunnel, allowing the absorption of the pesticide with the absorbent. Finally, the polluted air is adsorbed in the final part of the system. For the results, the efficiency of an extraction method with 3 different solvents, isopropanol, dichloromethan, and methanol, was evaluated by the fortification with a mixture of pesticides. And it was found that isopropanol is the one that obtained the best recovery percentage. And it was found that isopropanol is the one that obtained the best recovery percentage.